Former central bank Governor Gono's bid to avoid trial in $3 million debt case hits a snag. Bailwa Vinga, New Zimbabwe Vertical Bar, the 6th of September 2025. Former Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ. Governor Gideon Gono has failed in his latest attempt to avoid trial in a long-running $3 million debt case. After the High Court dismissed his application for absolution, Gono, cited in his personal capacity and as director of Lunar Chickens, is being sued by South Africa-based firm ASP Marketing CC, which claims it supplied over 2,200 metric tons of maize worth $3 million between 2009 and 2010. The maize was delivered to Gono's New Donington farm, but only $140,000 was reportedly paid in 2011 and 2012, leaving an outstanding balance of $2.2 million, including soya beans supplied. In 2023, the High Court dismissed Gono's initial application to have the claim thrown out on technical grounds. He later appealed to the Supreme Court, but in 2025, the Apex Court upheld the lower court's decision, ruling that the matter should be heard on its merits. When the trial resumed in July 2025, before Justice Mafusire, ASP Marketing, represented by Advocate Fadzi Meher, presented evidence. Gono's lawyers, Advocate Sylvester Hashidi, instructed by Tendai Biti Law, then filed an application for absolution, arguing the plaintiff had failed to prove liability. Justice Mafusire rejected the application with costs, delivering a stinging rebuke. It is perhaps because the application for absolution from the instance was incredibly ridiculous that counsel for the plaintiff objected to its being made in the first place. There is no question that the application has no merit. It must be a strategy by the defendants to stall the progress of the trial. If true, that is an abuse of the court process. The ruling leaves the former central bank chief exposed, with the High Court trial now set to proceed in full.